She was crack-a-lacking, baby. See what Spades got. Come on, Spades. Ah, shit. Caught me with that punk ass Vector. That Vector's trash. Chilling and killing, chilling and killing. That's how we Spades niggas do it. Fucking kill somebody. Got him. All three of them fuckers. It's called fucking skills. Skills on these mother truckers. Ah! Damn it, man. Every time I spoke too soon, my blind ass. It's alright. Let me get these mother truckers. Lay down. Lawn chair, you. Ah! Got him anyway. You, baby. Lay your ass down. Achievement unlocked. What did I unlock? I unlocked something. All them damn headshots. Alright, time to whip out Pinky. Brother Frosty's time to whip out Pinky. Got 1 minute and 38 seconds. Damn, I'm getting jumped. My fucking team is garbage. Jesus Christmas, man. That's what I mean. Look, fucking camping like a motherfucker. Oh, with a sniper. Come on, man. Like I'm the only fucking one playing. Everybody else just sitting around. Fucking a blind man like me can see these fucking niggas is cowards. Kill switch. You better turn that damn kill switch on, motherfucker. You ain't gonna kill nobody hiding, bitch. Motherfucker hiding this shit. Fuck, I didn't reload. Damn it, man. This is the worst game of my life, man. Fucking bum ass team. Fucking guys is trash, man. No help whatsoever. Plus this map is hard to play. Like you die fast, so. And then with a bum team makes it even worse. Jesus. That was terrible.